We live on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. It's in HD. We live right now. Uh-oh, we got two Teslas up here right now. We got two Teslas. That left lane running. Okay, he got the back tires, y'all. Yeah. Where y'all going, man? This side getting the back tires. Model S versus a Model 3. We're at Yello Belly. If y'all want to watch full screen, y'all come check out my YouTube channel. Damn! Damn, that bitch start getting it. Ooh-wee. That thing there trying to do something. Trying now, that bitch doing something. What happened? What happened?
I thought the blue bit was gonna win.
You did?
Yeah. And he had to hit.
Man knocked the blue off that motherfucker. Man gave him the back tire with the wiggle. Soon as he did this, hey, look at when he done this.
Yeah.
That boy knocked all the blue off that motherfucker.
What color is it now?
Hey, look how he did.
To knock the braids off.
He went by that blue motherfucker. Knocked the braids off. I can't get no braids 2 or 3 years. Knocked all that shit out.
Yeah, knocked the braids.
When he went by that blue motherfucker,
yeah.
I'm gonna try it again.
Yeah.
Boom.
Knock the braids off your.
The braids off my shit when he flew by that. God damn.
Say, man. Damn. Look out, look out. Yeah. I don't know. No, probably not. That thing there getting it, y'all. Look out, y'all. For all my people that's on TikTok that want to see it in HD, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out. Yeah, you gonna get it ready? You do.
Oh, you want me to go get it?
Yeah. Bet. Already. It's the Happy and Limpy Show. Oh, that left lane doing something over there. Oh, right lane. Damn, right lane won. You lost on that.
I bet with the right line.
Oh.
That's why I said gray motherfucker, he pay a bunch of notes on it.
Oh, okay.
See, he fucked him up. Hey, this side, man. They been getting their ass whooped all day. How much? Bet 20, I got this side. Red light, no race. Red.
Man, what are you bet? Oh! Red light.
Man, this goddamn truck wrong.
Look, I know it is.
Oh, they bullshit. Truck wrong, man.
Funkytown finna pop y'all in the ass.
Yeah, but that, you see that.
I seen the red light. You said you said red light no race.
Yeah, red light no race.
Okay, here come I don't know if even I think Chris had to pay the punk out or something. Yeah. Let's go back here.
Bro, that old look.
Oh, they finna let LC drive it to see if he can make a full pass.